You know, man, it's degrading every lawn care, man. We got a tree cleanup we doing. Put it out here on the curb. Yeah, bring it out of this backyard right here. Very nice property. They got a tree down back here. They want me to clean it up, so got the old faithful Ryobi out. And we clean it up. We clearing it. I'll show you the results when we get done. Got my boy Diego out here with me. Yes, sir. It's a job. Most folks run from this type of work. Let's get it. I'll show you the end result. See, I like these no hollaways. These no hollaways can be some of the best jobs where you can pile it up like that. And the city will come out to the customer's house and get it. Oh man, makes the day a whole lot easier. You hear me? Alright, from where we started to where we at, ooh buddy. We green that line, it don't get no greener. It don't get no better. Yes, Lord. Made the difference. All up. When it's done right. That's how much we removed right there, how much brush. It's a lot of brush, man. Came out that tree. A lot of limbs. But somebody gotta do it. You know that.